Alright, so this is definitely the first proper back of the game. Now, let's just do it slow. Now, I have made it kind of easy, at least for the setup. Just all you have to do is just follow the white line here, painted on the ground, and that should set you up for a pretty good straight back, and to where you do not have to do too much turning. But you know, if you do too much turning and are too little when you're trying to correct it, you can definitely mess up the entire back. So basically, that's all I can do for you is do this. All right, so there we go. We are pointing towards the space. Let's get those steers straight. Start backing up. We need to correct it, so we're going to go to the left. We're going to keep going to the left because we're got to get our trailer pointed to the right. Let's straighten them up. Okay, so hopefully by now you can kind of back. Maybe if you want to go back to level 6 where you have the nice wide open space and practice some more if this is some trouble to you. Okay, thank you.